Hello everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to add automatic list of tables and list of figures in Microsoft Word. This is the sample thesis that I have. I have created a table of content, but now I need to create list of tables. This is a blank page where I want to create list of tables. First of all, I need to create a style. Then just click it, and here I will write list of tables. And here I can modify the formatting. For example, if I want to use the formatting of Time New Roman, and from here 12, and let's make it as bold as we normally do in the tables, and then just OK. So now you can see a list of tables has been added to my new styles. And now I will select all of my tables one by one. For instance, this is the first table that I want to add in my list. So what I will do, I will simply select it, and then I will just need to click this list of tables. Now this has been added to my list. By the way, if I want to change different formatting, I can simply select this style, and from here I can simply click this modify. And this is the formatting that I told you earlier. I can change it like to size of 11, and now just click OK. Then see, it has been changed to according to my own requirements. Let now move on to next table, and again I will select and then click list of tables, and in the same way the next table, and again I will click this list of tables. So this is how I can add all my tables in this list of tables. Once I am done with adding all my tables in this list of tables, so I will put my cursor under this heading, and then I will go from these options of references, and from here I will simply click this insert table of figures. And from here just simply go to options. First of all, we need to select the style, as we have done all the formatting of our list of tables in the list of tables, and then simply click OK. And from the modify, we can give them the specific the formatting. For example, if we want to use another style, let's just simply click this modify, and from here let's just select this Time New Roman, size just 11, and I guess there is no need to this bold, so just simply click OK, and again OK, and now again finally we will click OK. There is no need to change any other like formatting and these caption labels, but of course we can change this. We can use any of these options for tab leaders, so click OK. See, all my tables have been added in this list of tables. Now let's move on to next page to create list of figures. Again I will put my cursor here in the blank space, and again we will need to repeat the process. First of all, we need to create a unique style. Let's just create a style, and here we can name it like list of figures or figures list. And again we can modify. Let's use it again, Time Roman, and let's say 11. Okay, see, this style has been added. Now we need to add all our figures in this list. Let's say this is the first figure, and we will need to select this, and from here we will simply click this again, this figures list. In the same way, again we will select this second figure and click this style, and then the third one, and again figures list. So this is how we will add all of our figures in that list. Once we are done with adding all of our figures in this list, we will move on to the references from the ribbon, and then from here simply click again this insert table of figures. From here you can see the format from the template. Then caption label, there is no need, just click none. And from the options, first of all we will need to select the style, as we have used this particular style to create our list of figures list. Let's click it and OK. For the formatting, just click modify, and from here it is okay to move on with this Time New Roman 11 font. Otherwise, if we want to change, we can modify and we can select any of these options. Again click OK, and then again we need to click OK. As you can see, it is now asking us, do you want to replace the select table of figures? So whenever this option appears, always click no. Now you can see all our figures have been added to this particular list of figures. This is how you can add automatic list of figures and tables in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.